So you've fallen for it. You clicked on the wrong download button and something has gotten onto your machine. If you suspect that the file you downloaded was malicious and may have installed adware or even a worm has gotten on your computer. First, launch the Windows main menu and check to see if a new app appears on your recent list, or for a more complete check. List all your installed programs by going to the Control panel, then click on Programs and Features or Add or Remove Programs to see a list of all the installed applications. Uninstall anything recently added. Next, check the list of programs scheduled to auto-start as Windows is booted. To do that, open the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Click on Startup. This will show you a list of the programs set to run on boot. To disable a program, simply right-click on it and select Disable. While you are here, consider anything else that is automatically starting that might be negatively impacting your machine's performance. Now let's check your Downloads folder by using File Manager and remove any files that were downloaded in the time period in question. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Some malware or adware can hide in your browser's cache, so clearing it can help remove any lingering threats. Check your browser extensions. Sometimes, malicious extensions can be installed in your web browser. Review your list of installed extensions and remove any that you don't recognize or that seem suspicious. When all that's done, run a scan with your antivirus software. Make sure your antivirus software is up to date, then perform a full system scan to detect and remove any malware or viruses that may have been installed. If you are really concerned, use a malware removal tool or rootkit like Malwarebytes or Spybot Search and Destroy to scan your computer and remove any malicious files or programs. Now take a good reboot. That should get you back up and running again. If something still seems wrong, there are viruses that disable the local virus scanner. Double-check by running a virus scan from an external source like a website that offers such services. If it is performance issues that persist, consider a defrag of your boot drive. Check the description for more information.